When you first set up your Google TV, the system language is usually selected during the initial setup, but sometimes it may not match your preference, or you might want to switch to a different language later. This can happen if the device was set up quickly, shared with someone else, or even updated automatically. Navigating menus in the wrong language can feel confusing and slow down your entire experience, especially when you're just trying to watch something. The good thing is that Google TV gives you full control over language settings, and you can change it anytime directly from the settings menu. Once you switch it, the interface, menus, and even voice features will follow your selected language, making everything feel much more comfortable and easy to use. Try these. Step 1. Press the home button on your remote and go to your profile icon or settings. Step 2. Scroll and select System from the settings menu. Step 3. Tap on Language to open available language options. Step 4. Browse or search for your preferred language from the list. Step 5. Select your desired language and confirm your choice. Step 6. Wait a few seconds for Google TV to apply the changes across the system.